back for another microgreens episode. Today I'm going to show you how to harvest and wash and dry your fenugreek. So let's go ahead and get started. What I have in front of me is my fenugreek already. It's already grown to its first true leaves, which is where I wanted it to be. I have a scale, so I know how much I got from my seeds in this 10 by 20 tray. This is the colander that goes to my salad spinner when I rinse it. Here's what I'm going to be drying it in. And here's the knife we're going to be using to cut. And as always, if you have something like a machete, those are like the best things to cut with. You're going to get so much, but any standard kitchen knife will do. So let's go ahead and turn this on. When you harvest it, you want to go at least a couple inches above the soil, and then just like definitely a few inches below the leaves, but definitely at least like 2 inches above the soil, and you can just sort of glide it right across. And if you happen to get any of the roots, go ahead and just pull those out. That's why you want to grab it from the top. Give it a nice good cut. But don't worry, it's okay if you make mistakes, because there's lots of this, and all you have to do is cut a little bit extra off. There's nothing to fear here. You haven't done anything wrong. Now with this tray, as you can see, there's a little bit here that's left over. This is what your finished product is going to look like. You're not usually going to cut 100% of it. You're going to cut about like 98 to 99% of it. What here is extra, you can actually water this and put this tray back onto the shelf and go back for reharvesting on the rest of this later. From this tray, I got 5.6 ounces, which is a little bit under half a pound. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this and come right back. All right, now when you do the salad spinner, go ahead and give it a few spins. About 30 seconds is good. Water. Now you can take your fenugreek and just sort of scatter it over a paper towel. I like to use my 10 by 20 trays. From here, the water has detached or dehulled any of the remaining seeds. If there are any little bits of seed husks or seed hulls, that's totally fine, but once these are dried, you won't really see too much, if any more at all. So from here, I can put this onto a rack or anywhere it's going to be stationed that it can sit for a few minutes. Then I'll take a fan and have it positioned in front of it, whether it be on the floor or on one of these racks, anywhere you want to do that. You can just use a fan to dry these out. It'll just take a couple minutes. Once they're nice and dry and you don't see any more water, you can go ahead and begin to package them. Now, if you're going to store these for at-home use, I suggest using a Keep It Fresh produce bag. I can put the link down below. And if you're going to package these for selling use, I definitely recommend using the plastic clamshells. Let me show you what those are. And you can definitely get these on Amazon as well. I will also link you below. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.